everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and I'm coming to you to tell you what my mom's making for today's Monday meal. Today, it is a tuna pasta bake, but not really, it's salmon, because my mom doesn't like tuna. So, it's a salmon pasta bake. And she makes it gluten-free and dairy-free since she's allergic to those things. So you'll see her modifications in the video. But there's going to be a link to the original recipe in the description box below if you want to follow it exactly. She also added some vegetables, which is something that people in the reviews said to do. So, you know my mom, it came from the All Recipes Dinner Spinner app, and she loves that app, and she gets so many recipes from there. All right, so watch my mom's video, and you can learn how to make this salmon pasta bake. It smells delicious. But Mom said since she added garlic to it, that I can't have any, because I don't think dogs are supposed to have garlic. At least that's what they tell me. All right, so enjoy the video. Here's my mom, Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hi everyone, it's Kara. Thanks for the intro, Yoda. As Yoda said, we're making an easy tuna pasta bake, but we're not. We're using salmon because I don't like tuna. So we make a separate sauce and we make the pasta separately until about al dente, you know, just like a little bite to it still. And then we have greased a casserole dish. I just used EVOO spray. Extra virgin olive oil spray. And then let me tell you, you can use I used more than 16 ounces of pasta, but I always do, but it's roughly 16 ounces of pasta. And then you cook it. And then I used a can of salmon. It was 3 5-ounce cans of tuna, but since I'm using salmon, I did 1 can of salmon, and I deboned it and drained it. And then you put about a tablespoon of olive oil in the bottom, and you use 1 onion. So I used 3 tablespoons of minced onion. And then I also used some garlic. I read the reviews and people said that you should add stuff to it like peas or, you know, some other kind of vegetable. And then some people added garlic. So I added about a tablespoon of this minced garlic here. And then I cooked that in the olive oil, just toasted it a little bit. Then you put the tuna in, which is salmon for us. So I put that in there and you cook it for 2 minutes. So I did that. Then you pour the cream on top. So we are using, it's supposed to be 1 cup of cream. We are using this Picnic plant-based creamer since it's non-dairy because I'm allergic to dairy. So it's made of coconut cream and MCT oil and I think cashews. So I use that. So 1 cup of that. You stir that together, then you season it. So salt and pepper, up to you. So you just decide how much you want, so to taste. And then half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, so that's in there. And that is it for seasoning. So then you stir that together and cook it. Once it's cooked and your pasta's cooked, you're gonna pour this, your sauce and your fish, over your pasta. And then you mix it together. And once you do that, we're gonna pour it over or into our casserole dish. So let me get that done and show you what it looks like. Okay, I have poured the pasta and the sauce into a casserole dish, and I have grated Parmesan cheese on top. Of course, it's non-dairy. I used 2 different ones. I used the rest of what was in this Follow Your Heart vegan Parmesan, and then I grated to cover the whole top the rest of this, or some of this Violife vegan Parmesan. So it's half and half roughly, but you put it on there. And I also added some broccoli, some steamed broccoli to the mixture. So this is all ready to cook in a 350 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. So that's what you're looking for. And then I'll show you the finished product. All right, everybody, here is the finished product. It just came out of the oven. We did 20 minutes at 350, and you just want it to be golden brown on top, which it is. So we're gonna eat it. Hope you guys give it a try.